Hi everyone, welcome to Her Craftiness. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a cookie stencil out of mesh and vinyl. So then I'm going to go over the tool list. You're going to need a squeegee. This is just a regular squeegee you can pick up at any art supply store. I have a quilling tool. I like to use this to pull off the negative parts that you will not need from the vinyl's backing. You're going to need some stencil mesh material. This is 110 count. What I do is I wash it by hand with Dawn dish soap, and then I hang dry it, and then I iron it, and then I cut it into pre-made 6x6 sizes. So these are all pre-made, right, or pre-cut. Then you're going to need the stencil material. Here what I have is going to be Oramask stencil film 813. And as you can tell, it's a little transparent, and that's why I like this, and it really works really well. A couple of other tools that I like to use, a clipboard. You will need transfer tape. I like the paper. And then a lid brush. And then, of course, a cutting machine. I use the Cricut Air Explorer, so the tutorial today will be based on Cricut Design Space.